Morning, everyone. Managed to sleep for maybe a couple of hours back. I was just tossing and turning and didn't manage to sleep so well. Yeah, I'm alright though. Yeah. Time is now 6 and I think I need to break camp, have something to eat, and then make my way back. Right, let's wake up. Bike's still here. Oh, lovely morning. Oh, nice. Time to have my morning brew. Got some sandwiches from yesterday. Just gonna eat. It's gonna be a nightmare packing stuff back into all those bags. Probably take another half an hour for me. I don't want to leave actually. It's so nice up here. Let me take you around while the kettle is boiling. It's beautiful. Look at that. So I was just flying the drone this morning and just realized the dam, Goch Dam, is not too far from here. So yeah, it's a bit chilly. Right, let's enjoy the brew. So I'm all packed up, ready to leave. Make sure it's all tidied up, don't leave anything behind, and yeah, looks alright. Oh, I'm being eaten alive by all these midges. It was a nightmare packing up. Right, now time to get some water and then make our way home. Right, time to head home. Dam's on the right. Oh my god. Oh, it's beautiful. That is great, Goch. Whoa, 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 whoa. It's breathtaking than the other side, and the roads are a lot better. It's an amazing day. Sun's trying to come out, but I don't mind this weather. It's nice and cool. made it to a place called Tagaron. So that's almost 46 kilometers in. All the descending is done. Another 100k to go. I'm trying to find a place to eat, but there seems to be nothing open at the moment. I don't know why. It's a Monday. Come on. Let's see if I can find somewhere to eat. Otherwise I'll just make another brew. I've got some samosas left. Let's hope for the best. Managed to find some lovely breakfast in Reservoir. Heading towards Lampeter now, and then once we reach Lampeter, we'll cut across Clan Cadog and then reach Carmarthen. Estimating around 3 to 4 hours to get to Carmarthen. I needed that breakfast. That was really good. To Lampeter. Finally the sun is out. Feels good. Made it to Carmarthen. Finally. I'm here at the station. I hope there's a train to Havelvest this time of the day. Wow, that was a good ride. Yeah, it's alright.
my bikepacking trip. If you're interested in any of the kit that I use for the trip, I'll make a separate video.